is a very quick and simple snack because we're hungry. This is pumpkin bread. I'll show you how I make bread in another episode. This is a really easy one. Take sliced bread. You can lightly toast it if you want. We're not going to toast it because I like the yellow color. And we're going to drizzle some olive oil. This is really nice first press olive oil. It's not meant for cooking. It's extra virgin. This is from Tasmania. It's Ashbolt. Everything is grown organically there. It's not even yellow. I think it's kind of green. So we pour a little bit. Oh my goodness! Can you see the color? Tip some over on me. Yeah, see? Wow. Look at the color here. It's green. Beautiful green. It's the color of the olives that it came from. The rest of this can go on my face. And some Tasman Sea Salt. This pepperberry. Tastes like pepper and berry. Therefore pepperberry. Also from Tasmania. So it's just olive oil and salt. It's a yellow, green and red snack. It's very healthy and it's very simple. Over the shoulder for luck. And there we go. Bon appetit. Very nice.